Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a game pass on Roblox. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will explain everything so that you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your Roblox account and then click the this button right here which says create. So just go ahead and click that and wait for it to load. So once you're here, what you will have to do is basically just look for creations or click creations and just wait for it to load again. And once you're here, basically what you will have to do is simply just click any game that you would want to uh make game passes for. So yeah. So for example, I want this game. So just go ahead and click that. So what you will have to do is you will look for monetization and then you will click passes. And here what you will have to do is just click create the pass and then you will upload an image for the game pass and give it a name and description, and then you will just basically have to click preview. So just fill in the name, the description, and then again the picture of your game pass, and yeah, you'll just have to click create pass, and that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.